My name is Dr. Daniel Roman. I am the Senior Advisor for Geodesy at NOAA's National Geodetic Survey. NGS and predecessor organizations have provided geospatial coordinates as a part of the National Spatial Reference System for over 200 years. We have migrated through time and we've updated, but we're now a part of NOAA. And so I'm going to talk about how NOAA in particular is going to be implementing this modernized NSRS. The NSRS provides a consistent coordinate system that defines latitude, longitude, height, gravity, all components of the Earth's positioning system for any specific thing that you might be doing. We're modernizing the NSRS to improve and increase the accuracy to meet modern needs and to make sure that we can stay abreast of what our colleagues are doing around the world. So making U.S. geospatial data fair is what this is about. So we need them findable, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. And the key to that from our perspective is the interoperability piece. If all of the data sets that you have, that we've heard of numerous ones discussed today, if they're all in a consistent coordinate system that you can stack and integrate, then the geodetic layer forms the base layer from which you can integrate all of that type of data. So trying to obtain the synergies that you're looking for and get the best return on investment comes from accessing the same consistent, accurate spatial reference system. And again, that's part of the motivation for why we're trying to move forward. To that end, NGS will be replacing the existing datums, the North American datum of 1983 and the North American vertical datum of 1988. And NVD88 is only applicable in the conterminous US and in Alaska. There are about 9 different datums. I won't go into here. And the reference frames that you see on the left image, left image from your perspective too, there are 4 different frames that we're going to be defining, one on each of the specific main plates that US states and territories are located on. North America, of course, Caribbean, Pacific, and the Mariana Plate. So the key to that then is that you're going to go out you either have data in the can, which is some of the things we'll talk about tomorrow at the workshop. If you've got GIS data, we'll provide transformation tools that'll move you from the NVD83 to the various reference frames that would be specific to your area. And the same would apply also for the geopotential model. So the key there then is what are your needs, and that's what we're trying to assess through the workshop and through the discussions that we're going to have. If you really have a need for high precision and accuracy, you're going to probably have to go out with a survey crew, occupy whatever reference point you need, collect the data, process it with our CORS network, and then obtain geometric coordinates. And then you would simply apply the geoid model that you see on the right. And that is, by definition, going to be the vertical control. So it's twofold. It simplifies because everybody in the US and Hawaii, Puerto Rico, are all in one datum. And it's a lot easier to deal with that. So it's consistency and ease of use. So along those lines then, as I say, we're going to be updating the National Spatial Reference System, and we'll be moving forward with that. I hope there's a number of contacts that I'll list in here that you have a chance, if you want to, you can reach out. A couple of us will be here tomorrow for the workshop, but there are a number of training videos. Datum expertise is available for those who need to try and take a look at what data sets they have. But I encourage you now to look at your metadata, look at your data, and determine what requirements you have. You're the only ones that know what level of precision and accuracy you need. Do you need centimeter? Do you need decimeter? Do you need meter? Whatever you might need will dictate what type of tool would be available to you and the ease with which you can use it. If you really have a need for high precision and accuracy, as is typical with more the hydro types of analyses, then you're probably going to need to take a greater deal of effort in terms of your analysis. All right, again, I encourage you to participate if you can and sign up tomorrow. Again, thank you. My name is Dr. Daniel Roman from NOAA's National Geodetic Survey.